When out on an adventure, the last thing you want to deal with is issues with your camper. But a stinky camper toilet is an unfortunate possibility. There are several reasons why this might happen. For one, improper ventilation around the toilet area can cause bad smells to build up over time, making it essential to keep windows open whenever possible. Additionally, failing to dispose of toilet waste, such as used diapers, tissues, or sanitary towels, in accordance with the manufacturer's guidelines can lead to unpleasant odors. A damaged or worn-out seal can also cause gases to escape, resulting in bad smells. But regularly checking and replacing these seals can help prevent this issue. Furthermore, using the wrong chemicals to clean the toilet can emit bad smells. So it's crucial to use the specific chemicals required for toilet cleaning. By understanding these potential causes, you can take steps to prevent your camper toilet from smelling bad and ensure a more enjoyable adventure.